Welcome back to Mael's Luxury Auto. The world of luxury motorhomes is set to reach new heights in 2026, as manufacturers blend cutting-edge technology, opulent design, and unparalleled comfort to cater to discerning travelers who seek the ultimate mobile lifestyle. As the line between high-end hotels and recreational vehicles continues to blur, the 2026 lineup introduces models that are not only engineering marvels but also rolling showcases of modern luxury. Among the top contenders in this prestigious category is the 2026 Volkner Mobil Performance S, a motorhome that continues to set benchmarks in luxury travel. Built on a premium Mercedes-Benz chassis, the 2026 Performance S doesn't just impress with its 12-meter length or sleek automotive design, it astounds with its built-in garage that can discreetly house a sports car such as a Porsche 911 or a Ferrari Roma. The integration is seamless, allowing adventurers to park their motorhome, unload their sports car via a hydraulic slide-out system, and explore city streets in style. It's this kind of bold innovation that places the Performance S in a league of its own. Stepping inside, the interior of the Performance S is nothing short of breathtaking. Every inch is custom designed, featuring Italian leather, real wood veneers, and ambient LED lighting that adjusts to mood and time of day. The living area boasts a large OLED smart TV with surround sound, built-in recliners, and panoramic windows that offer breathtaking views without ever leaving the comfort of your lounge. The kitchen is outfitted with Miele appliances, including a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, and even a wine chiller, all framed by marble countertops and soft close cabinetry. One of the most notable upgrades in the 2026 edition is the implementation of AI-assisted living. Through a central digital assistant, the motorhome can adjust lighting, temperature, blinds, and even route planning based on the user's preferences. Voice control and a smart tablet interface allow for effortless operation of every system, from security to entertainment. Solar panels and a state-of-the-art lithium battery system allow extended off-grid capability, making this home on wheels as self-sufficient as it is luxurious. In terms of sleeping arrangements, the Performance S offers a master bedroom that could rival those in five-star hotels. A king-sized bed with orthopedic mattress, custom linens, and climate zoning ensures rest and relaxation after long drives. The bathroom is a spa-like retreat featuring a rainfall shower, heated floors, and even aromatherapy options. Every aspect is designed not just for comfort but for indulgence. Another standout in the 2026 luxury motorhome category is the Newmar King Aire, which continues its reputation for impeccable craftsmanship and technological innovation. It features an advanced driver assistance system, automated leveling, and a dynamic ride suspension that turns cross-country trips into smooth, stress-free experiences. With heated tile floors, multiple slide-outs, and ultra-quiet interiors, the King Aire is a sanctuary on wheels. Fuel efficiency and environmental consciousness are also playing an increasingly important role in the luxury RV market, and 2026 models are no exception. Many are incorporating hybrid diesel-electric drivetrains or hydrogen fuel cell systems, ensuring that sustainability does not come at the expense of power or performance. Ultimately, the top luxury motorhomes of 2026 are not just vehicles, they are rolling masterpieces of architecture, engineering, and design. They cater to a clientele that demands the best of everything: luxury, mobility, independence, and style. Whether parked along the coast of the French Riviera or nestled in the remote mountains of Colorado, these motorhomes redefine what it means to travel in luxury. They aren't just a way to see the world, they are the reason to explore it.